is our last day of sound check. The music was working. I think we were frozen a little bit, but we should be good. You see me clear? Everything's going good. All right. One more sound check just with the Wi-Fi adjustment. Take a listen. All right, we're gonna get into a warm-up before we start our choreography. Put your brains present with class today because we're gonna learn a lot of dancing, and it's gonna be different than normal. We're doing a contemporary creative choreography, I like to call it. Inspired by Oritaiti, some movements will be familiar and others will be something out of the box for all of us. Also, it's going to be to an English song, so I hope you guys enjoy that for today, which is why I started class with a little bit different music. But here we go for our warm-up. Take your floor. Few breaths, relax, stay present. Here we go.
Llama sombra. Llama sombra.
Keep breathing, take full breaths. Let's move our hips a little bit. Here we go.
Allez, voilà toute la Polynésienne chère, on vous souhaite une bonne année et un bon trip. Et ça, c'est de la part de DJ Keston.
King of Bass.
brûler tous ces corps sensuels.
Hey. Araba.
Allez, Gaston, fais-moi bouger tous ces corps sensuels.
So.
Allez, Gaston, fais-moi bouger tous ces corps sensuels.
Am I losing you? It's going in and out, and I don't know why. Breathing for Wi-Fi. I see you. I see you, I see you, I see you. Move around, move around. Keep moving, keep moving. I'm losing you again. What's happening today? Giving it a breather. Our last two classes were solid. Pausing for Wi-Fi if you hear me. And I see you. Back, back, back. All right, beautiful. Let's go ahead and get started. The song is a little bit slow, but we're gonna speed up our hip small kind. Take a listen.
I tried to wean you off. I tried to leave. To say I quit the drug.
All right, there's our intro to the song. So here we go. It's called Body. Just relax all of it. Feel vulnerable in this moment. Feel looser. Hopefully that warm-up helped a little bit. Our movement's gonna be a little bit different. So to start, we're gonna pull right over left on our chest, and it's gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull out that ava, and there's a small little wave right there. As we do that, we're gonna do a really slow taparuru. It's gonna open right, left, straight knees, and then we're gonna drop down for the last 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time. Feet together, or actually, I have a harder time closing my feet these days, so I'm gonna stand like this. If you're gonna join me, do that. Put your hands beside your body, and then it's gonna open now on the right. Hey, 1, 2, down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is my right arm. My right arm is going to cross over as my left goes to my chest right here. And I'm going to lunge left, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my right leg back, my left leg sitting here. One more time, 7, 8. 1, 2, drop, 1, 2, 3, 4, push, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right there, there's like a chest change with it. I'm forward and it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's a little bit of isolation right there. Push, 2, 3, 4, and a small tilt of your head right there. Pull the leg that's back pretty straight and drop. So don't bend it here, straighten that knee out. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, pick it up, 2, 3, 4, chest, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're gonna roll out, 1 and 2. So that was palm to your camera and palm up. Voila. From the top, power pose, stand strong and tall, chin up.
I tried to wean you off. I tried to leave. To say I quit the drug.
Okay, the tempo is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, from here, your right leg is gonna tarao or rest your arms. It's gonna go back, out, 2, and 1, 2, 3, drop. Switch weight. Tarao times 2, circle, circle, here, kick out, in, out, drop. All of that is a pointed toe. I apologize if the Wi-Fi is going out on me. I don't know why. We're gonna keep it up. One more time. So for our hands on that bit, we're gonna hold it for the tarao. Hold 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, hit. And this just hangs back with your palm towards the camera. Palm out, okay? Hold on the 2 tarao, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 1, 1, 2, pop, 3 and 4. So bring it down, leg kick, leg pop down. From the top, we're here, ready, and shift over to the left, shift, 2, 3, 4, circle, 2, 3, tarao. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Voila. Don't make this like super strong and perfect. Just let it hang there. From the top of the song, it's kind of a longer intro.
I tried to wean you off. I tried to leave. To say I quit the drug. To say I'm beat. But the world.
So it's pretty quick. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's like a small 2 count from here. And you're gonna go over your head. 1 and 2. Point right arm at your eyes. I know I'm facing you. I'm going to turn around soon. One more time for that tarao. Pretty quick. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. Keep your eyes down and eyes camera. Voila. Try one more time. We'll go over this a few sets.
I tried to wean you off. I tried to leave.
there. One more time. No music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Hey, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Pick it up. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. Voila. We're going to turn around so you do it the same way as us. If you're performing this and recording for a recital, make sure you do it my right is your right and not opposite when you film. 5, 6, 7, out and right, left, down, 1, 2, 3, stretch, over, 2, hand, 1 and 2, pick it up, 1 and 2, and out, in, up, and head and hand. I messed that whole thing up. We're gonna do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, out. Tall, tall, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch, hand, 1 and 2, and 1. Move your hand and kick, out, up, down, hand, and stretch. Voila. The last time from the top, and we move on. We're gonna face you again. I'll do this one.
I tried to wean you off. I tried to leave. To say I quit the drug. To say I'm beat. But the word, it chases me.
All right, from here, moving on. I'll dance this way really quick so you can see me. Over here. We just went right, forward, left is up. And in this position, you're going to switch your weight and open. 1 and 2. Right there. One more time. You're here, switch your weight. Hands are up. 5, 6, 7, switch. Right and right. Voila. I'm going to do that facing you. Here, here, here. Dum, 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 bum, 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 finish. Right there, okay? Let me double check my timing. One more time, top.
I tried to wean you off. I tried to leave. To say I quit the drug. To say I'm beat. But the word, it chases me.
All right, here we go, moving on. Make sure your right is popped. On that open, we're gonna step out to the audience, step out right, that out left to the opposite side from where we just were. Okay, one more time. This is my right arm. My right arm is at the audience right now. So make sure your right is facing your camera, right leg is popped. Open 2 times, step out and that out. 7, 8. Roll, roll, step out. Here. When we do this, we're gonna land with our feet. It doesn't matter, but we're gonna hit the floor right now. I'm gonna try my best. Out here, and your legs are just gonna go straight down. 1, 2, right there, facing this way. Okay, as we do that for our hands, so we're up, open, 1, 2, and you're gonna push out, 1, 2. Oh, I don't like that. Just drop your hands. 1, 2, here, and then as you go down, your hands are gonna go up your body. 1, 2. Pull it back behind your head or by your ears. Right there, and that's on the drop, drop, down on the floor. Right there, okay? We're gonna completely face that way, so lose your eyes from the camera, and those elbows are back. Right here. So this is what I look like But this way. From the top or two open. 5, 6, 7, roll. Right, right, drop your hands. 1, 2, hey, 3 and 4. And you go on the floor. Beautiful. I'm going to do that with you, your direction. My right is your right. Right leg pop. 7, 8. Open. 2, drop your hand. Step. Down 2. Right there. If you're not going down to the floor with me, because of whatever reason, I want you to squat 3, 4. Right there, okay? But try to go down. If you really can, get through that for the full choreo. Let me check my timing. We're gonna go from the top.
I tried to wean you off. I tried to leave. To say I quit the drug. To say I'm beat. But the word, it chases me around every day.
All right, so right there, we're here. You're gonna go around your face. I'm gonna show you here. 1, out, strong, and then your head's gonna rotate left first. Left, down, right there. And you're all on the floor for this whole time. So you just went tarao, 2, drop, 3 and 4, cross over, strong arms, left, down. Finish with your head down. So go ahead and drop. Here we go, 2 counts down. 7, 8. 1, 2, head 3, 4, head 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you go audience first on your rotation of your head. Dropping down 2 counts. Am I frozen? Move, move. No, you're there. Here we go. We're going from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish. 5, 6, 7. Drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Head down. Beautiful. You can drop your left knee when you go down. Drop your left knee like that. So you're sitting on the floor a little bit more comfortable. Alrighty, everybody up. I'm gonna skip through the music, small kind.
I tried to leave. To say I quit the drug. To say I'm beat. But the word, it chases me around every day. Goodbye, can't seem to find.
All right, one more time. Sorry, we got distracted. From the top.
I tried to wean you off. I tried to leave. To say I quit the drug. To say I'm beat. But the word, it chases me around every day. Goodbye.
Okay, so that last part's pretty quick. Just hit those hands with me really quick. Your body's down already, so you don't have to worry about that. Just from here, only our hands on the full tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, beautiful. So now we're on the floor. Go ahead and drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're gonna sit down onto your knees, down, and 2, right there. As you do that, your hands are gonna flow. You're gonna drop your feet, and it's gonna go open to the audience and flow. 2, 3, 4. Left on my left booty cheek, right on my right thigh. So there's a little bit space to create some shape right there, okay? One more time. You just went down, over, left, and down. Pick it up, fly, and sit. Boom. Beautiful. From here, you're gonna sit down on, your hand's gonna go up, up, 2, 3, 4. And it's going to go from the center of your feet though, up, chin, 4. Voila. Stay there. Go ahead and pop up. You already went down. So sit in that position. Do we rotate our counterclock? Correct.
But the word, it chases me around every day. Goodbye, can't seem to find my mouth in any way to say I'm beat. But the word, it chases me around every day. Goodbye, can't seem to find my mouth in.
Right there. One more time from the top.
I tried to wean you off. I tried to leave. To say I quit the drug. To say I'm beat. But the word, it chases me around every day. Goodbye, can't seem to find my mind.
Nice. All right, from here, so stay on the floor if you're already there. Here, it's pretty quick. That last one, make sure this has space between your body and your elbow. 1 and 2. You're gonna switch your feet over. And it's gonna go 3 and 4. Boom. So you take those feet over to the right side. Okay? I'm gonna do that again. Recognize that the left hip is at the camera. Left hip at the camera, right arm is up tall. When you switch, you drop down the side of your body, pick up the left. Okay, we're gonna switch our feet over, 7, 8. Switch, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then have that space again on that right booty cheek. Nice. All right, one more time from the top, we're gonna face backwards, so our right is your right.
I tried to wean you off. I tried to leave. To say I quit the drug. To say I'm beat. But the word, it chases me around every day. Goodbye, can't seem to find my mouth in any way. So I'll give you.
So that last bit is pretty quick. I'm facing you, so this is my right arm. It goes up on that first one. 1, 2, 3, and 4 from here. Okay, go down. This is all pretty quick. Moving from going down here. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now slow. 2, 3, fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From here, and you're gonna bring it over to your right shoulder. And as you bring your hand into this position, you're gonna rock right, left, finish. Right there, one more time, bringing it in, 7, 8, 1, and 2, boom. All right, from the top again, just keep running it. We're gonna face you. We're opposite, this is our right, over here.
I tried to wean you off. I tried to leave. To say I quit the drug. it chases me around every day. Goodbye, can't seem to find my mouth in any way. So
Nice. Make sure you start that first one here. The very, very first move. It's starting from here, not this side. So we hold here, we pick up right over left and expand. Okay, sitting in the position you're in, here, right and left. You're gonna pop out your left leg, and you're gonna fly one more time. It's gonna go out, and then I'll continue. So here, pop out your left leg, out. Here, and then you're gonna go down, drop your butt as you do this motion. So drop your butt and up here, like that. You can't see my feet. And you're about to get up, you're gonna pop your back foot and pop. Right there, okay? One more time, back in that position. For the hands, you just went sway right and left, fly up as you pop your left, left, and down, and up, down, and up. So just lots of flying. So those hands one more time without going down. You're here, you fly out and in, out, cross down, out, body, out. So that was out, cross, out, body, out. So it's a little bit of a different pattern, okay? I'm gonna back up and the music, let's hit that. Go ahead and drop to the floor.
to say I quit the drug, to say I'm beat, but the word, it chases me around every day. Goodbye, can't seem to find my mouth in any way. So I'll give you my body.
Right there, okay? I'm just gonna finish it right here really quick. Boom, so I give you here, and you're gonna rub your right shoulder, my body, boom, right there, and you're gonna varu. So that's when you just came up. Boom, I give you my body, boom, from here, and you're gonna step up on your toe, up on your toes. Your hands are gonna go one, rotate out, chest, palms flat, rotate out, palms flat, and you're gonna varu on your right foot, popping up on your toes. 1, 2, 3, right there, okay? Ooh, that hurt, sorry. One more time, on the floor. Go ahead, drop. We just came in, 1 and 2. Booty cheek, booty cheek. Fly, 5, 6, 7, pop, out, drop your butt in, pick it up, body, 1, 2, 1, 2. I think I'm right. We'll find out. Here we go. Stop.
I tried to wean you off, I tried to leave, to say I quit the drug, to say I'm beat, but the word, it chases me around every day. Goodbye, can't seem to find my mouth in any way. So I'll give you my body.
I'm a little bit early on that one when I just did it, my bad, but those are the moves. Hold here, and then you'll catch it, one leg in, 2, and up, drag it out, body, bum, 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 bum. On that top, it looks like this, 1, and wave. Do that one more time, 1, but above your head, wave, right there. And then look up in the sky right there, 1 and 2. Okay, one more time. Top.
I tried to wean you off. I tried to leave. To say I quit the drug. To say I'm beat. But the word, it chases me around every day. Goodbye, can't seem to find my mouth in any way. So I'll give you my body. Just don't.
So we drag this one out. Boom, hit the next beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and body, bum, 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 right there. Nice. One more time, top, and we move on.
I tried to wean you off. I tried to leave. To say I quit the drug. To say I'm beat. But the word, it chases me around every day. Goodbye, can't seem to find my mouth in any way. So I'll give you my body. Just don't.
All right, moving on. Here we go. So from there, we just went 1 and 2. I'm going to turn this way so you can see my hands. It's going to go out, drop. So that was like palms down in front of you. Boom. And you're going to go to your mouth, right and left. It's going to go just don't tell nobody here. And it's going to pull out, stop sign out and in. Right there. Okay. Our body is into the front. Right leg is popped. 1, 2. You're going to step forward on that right. And you're going to go 1, 2. Pick it up. 3, 4. Out. Mouth. It's all just hands. Okay. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step down. Sit tall. Pick it up. Up. Tall. Up. Right here. Okay, let me check my timing.
So I'll give you my body. Just don't tell nobody.
Right there. My body. Boom. We're gonna hit it one more time. 3 and 4 and 1. And while you do that, you're gonna have a little bit of a check. So that last baru, boom, chest, sit, 1, 2, out, boom. Right there. Look right and in. One more time from body.
Anyway, so I'll give you my body. Just don't tell nobody.
And then last thing from there You're gonna bring your hands, your elbows down, down elbows. That's gonna shoot up, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you do that, we're on the front center. We're gonna go back right corner. Walk 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Face the corner right there. Okay. One more time. So that was body, the last body. 7, 8, toes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Step. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll give it a slide. I walked it the first time. Oh, I stepped on something. But slide that foot. Slide, 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 slide. Okay. One more time. Try that out.
I can't seem to find my mouth in any way. So I'll give you my body. Just don't tell nobody. I'll give you my body.
Sorry, the last one's 3. Body. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. From here. From here, you're gonna go. You're gonna pick your right arm. 1, 2, and as you do that, you're gonna point your right. 1, 2, right there. Okay. So one more time. Let's hit that walk back. 7, 8, right. 1, 2, 3, right foot. 1 and 2, right there. And extend that right knee so it's a straight knee. Hit that with the music. We're almost Paul.
So I'll give you my body. Just don't tell nobody. I'll give you my body. 'Cause being without you is impossible. I'd rather be with you and be vulnerable. I pretend
So that last one, I just added it. We're gonna just make sure that knee is straight, pointing down. Straight, straight, straight. 1, 2, 3 on the word body. 1 and 2. And hold. Okay. Last time for that body part to the next body, and then we go from the top.
you my gift every day. Goodbye, can't seem to find my mouth in any way. So I'll give you my body. Just don't tell nobody. I'll give you my body. 'Cause being without you is impossible.
Top, try your best.
I tried to wean you off. I tried to leave. To say I quit the drug. To say I'm beat. But the word, it chases me around every day. Goodbye, can't seem to find my mouth in any way. So I'll give you my body. Just don't tell
Very good. One more time. Our right is your right.
I tried to wean you off. I tried to leave. To say I quit the drug. To say I'm beat. But the word, it chases me around every day. Goodbye, can't seem to find my mouth in any way. So I'll give you my body. Just don't tell nobody. I'll give you my body. 'Cause being without you is impossible. I'd rather be with.
Nice job. All right, tiny water break. I'm gonna play the music for your brain. Giving my girls a break here.
I tried to wean you off. I tried to leave. To say I quit the drug. To say I'm beat. But the word, it chases me around every day. Goodbye, can't seem to find my mouth in any way. So I'll give you my body. Just don't tell nobody. I'll give you my body. 'Cause being without you is impossible. I'd rather be with.
All right, last position. Our right leg is pointed, and we go up our body. Boom, here, and you're gonna grab right to your chest, and it's gonna huda down on that right foot. We'll do the hips first. 1, 2, front, 3, 4 on that huda. So again, right leg at the audience, straight, body, grab it out, 1, 2, front, 3, 4, right there. From here, your hand's gonna go, to your heart, 3, 4 on that last huda. Grab and to the front, last huda, right and left. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, huda. Grab to your heart and right and left. So for those feet, your continuous sway is happening. It's right, left, turn, 1. Bum, 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 right and left. So that's 4 huda, and then the last 2. Right and left and right and left and front. Front and back and front, 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 and front. Right there. I hope I'm explaining that right. I should say rights and lefts. Right and left and right and left and front, center. Voila. Okay, body. Here we go. Drop it down. 7, 8. 1, 2, heart, 1 and 2 and right there. It's almost done. I think we're at the last count.
Anyway, so I'll give you my body.
right there. 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 from there. I'm gonna finish it here. You're gonna push your hands down, nice and gentle, and they're gonna stay here. As we do that, we're on the left hip. Point right, Velina back, lunge to your backside or backstage, and then you're gonna lunge left, flow hand, left, 2, 3, 4. Right there. So one more time from body. I'll do this when I'm facing the other way also. Right arm, I'll go slow. Puda grab right hip, left hip, right hip, left. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pose, turn, hey, 7 and 8. Right there. I'm going to do it your direction. My right is your right. Body, 7, 8, up, 2, 3, Puda, right, left, right. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop, top, Velina, and 7 and 8. Right there. Okay. Let's hit that part from body. I'm going to do it your direction.
My body. Just don't tell nobody. I give you my body. 'Cause being without you is impossible. I'd rather be with you and be vulnerable. I pretend to my friends in the meantime. Oh, they tell me that I'm a fool, but I wouldn't be able to feel love if it wasn't.
One more time for that because we did kind of.
Give you my body. Just don't tell nobody. I give you my body. 'Cause being without you is impossible. I'd rather be with you and be vulnerable. I pretend to my friends in the meantime. Oh, they tell me that I'm a fool, but I wouldn't be able to feel love if it wasn't for breaking rules. Maybe fueling the fire means I'm.
All right, we're going to end it right there. So that's the whole choreo. It's about 1:30, nothing too long. Let's try it again from the top where we're facing dancing with you. Our right is your right. And we'll just run it a few times. Any questions? Actually, think about it, but save it until after this run through. Here we go. Top, top, top. My girl's here. Let's see our spacing. Okay, we're good. All right, find your floor. Take a good breath. Feel present with the song and your feet and you're dancing the floor.
I tried to wean you off. I tried to leave. To say I quit the drug. To say I'm beat. But the word, it chases me around every day. Goodbye, can't seem to find my mouth in any way. So I'll give you my body. Just don't tell nobody. I'll give you my body. 'Cause being without you is impossible. I'd rather be with you and be vulnerable. I pretend to my friends in the meantime. Oh, they tell me that I'm a fool, but I wouldn't be able to feel love if it wasn't.
Right there. All right, one more time. I'm going to check you out and if there's advice I can give before we go for questions. Last time, before questions.
I tried to wean you off. I tried to leave, to say I quit the drug, to say I'm beat. But the word, it chases me around every day. Goodbye, can't seem to find my mouth in any way. So I'll give you my body. Just don't tell nobody. I'll give you my body. 'Cause being without you is impossible. I'd rather be with you and be vulnerable. I pretend to my friends in the meantime, oh, they tell me that I'm a fool.
All right, nice job. Take a breath. It's a little choppy. Can you hear me? I'm good? Okay, beautiful. It's a little bit choppy. We're learning a lot of choreography in a quick time. You guys can take a rest. Thank you. So let me think. The don't tell nobody part, make sure it's two different hands for that first part. So it's like, I don't know, I thought of fish swimming when I just did that. One, one, what did I do? Boom, boom, yeah. Rotate, rotate, down, 3, 4, 1, and 2. Swimming, smack, up, up, out, and 2. I also noticed with the rhythm of the music, it will help. So, 1 and 2, knees are bent, tall, 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 and then you're gonna like flow to the right, in, right there. Elbows, drop. That's like the point of the isolation right there. 1 and 2 and 3, and switch with your right foot forward right there. Okay, we're about done with the workshop. We're gonna run it a few more times. If it helps you to learn, you can watch this set and then come back when we do it again for the next set. You can dance it with us continuously. You can sit however way your brain works. Here we go.
I tried to wean you off. I tried to leave, to say I quit the drug, to say I'm beat. But the word, it chases me around every day. Goodbye, can't seem to find my mouth in any way. So I'll give you my body. Just don't tell nobody. I'll give you my body. 'Cause being without you is impossible. I'd rather be with you and be vulnerable. I pretend to my friends in the meantime, oh, they tell me that I'm a fool, but I wouldn't be able to feel.
All right, let's split into groups just to enjoy it with each other really quick. A through K, if your first letter is between A through K, you're gonna go with me for the first set, and the remaining of my alphabet, you guys will go in the second group. Focus with us, yeah? If it's not your turn to dance, take a seat and appreciate the dancers around you. You can dance in your seat as you watch. Oh, hey, here we go. From the top. If you want to sit here, you can come watch. No, you're dancing. The other two. And then switch. All right, here we go. Take your floor A through K. Take a breath.
I tried to wean you off. I tried to leave. To say I quit the drug. To say I'm beat. But the word, it chases me around every day. Goodbye, can't seem to find my mouth in any way. So I'll give you my body. Just don't tell nobody. I'll give you my body. 'Cause being without you is impossible. I'd rather be with you and be vulnerable. I pretend to my friends in the meantime. Oh, they tell me that I'm a fool. But I wouldn't be able to feel love if it wasn't for.
All right, beautiful. Again, here we go. Next group. Good work, good work. Here we go. Take it away.
I tried to wean you off. I tried to leave. To say I quit the drug. To say I'm beat. But the word, it chases me around every day. Goodbye, can't seem to find my mouth in any way. So I'll give you my body. Just don't tell nobody. I'll give you my body. 'Cause being without you is impossible. I'd rather be with you and be vulnerable. I pretend to my friends in the meantime. Oh, they tell me.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, good job, everybody. Thank you for doing summer camp with us. A few things before we go. I think I'm gonna do it one more time. Oh, the first taparuru, there's no hips in taparuru either way, never. So notice that that's that steps. It's straight leg, shuffle down for that first one. So there's no sway in your hips. Your first lunge, when you go over here, the leg that's long is straight, okay? And then everything else is just finding those isolations, one and pause, one down. When is your next workshop? 2023, after I give birth. Today is our last class, and I appreciate you being here. Oh, we're a little frozen. Okay, we're back. But yeah, so this was our last class. I will have recordings available, and that will be up on my website. I'll advertise it like I always do. But I really appreciate you being here for these last classes, sticking through the me dancing pregnant and having my assistants dance for me. I really appreciate it. It's nice to end on something a little bit out of the box, something different than we've ever done. I don't think I've taught one of these workshops in, like, honestly, a few years now. Everything is on your Google Doc. Your costume is a patio and a matching crop top or tank top, not a bra. So red and red, pink and pink. I don't care what color you wear, just keep it matching. And the top is crop or a tank top. Preferably spaghetti strap tank top if you choose to fully cover your midriff. If not, then a cute little crop top. You can have fun with it. No designs, of course, something plain. But yeah, I'll miss you guys too. You'll see me around social media. Reach out. You'll probably hear from me through email or on your Google Doc to update you on your video for this also. And yeah, these videos are available till December 31st. So yeah, I'm actually going to close class, and I will post a video of the real time for the music and post on your Google Docs so you can practice it. And you guys take care. Thank you for the love. I appreciate it. I will miss you guys just as much. Bye.